Hello everyone, my name is Maharjan. I'm from grade 10 and today I will be demonstrating that the volume of a square-based pyramid is a square into h by 3. Today I have a square-based pyramid, square-based cube, a jar of water and a scale and a sign pin. To verify that these two objects have the same base, I will place them like this, and as you can see they're both square-based, so they both have the same base. And to verify if its height is same or not, I will place this scale like this, and as you can see it is parallel to the ground, which means the base and the height is equal. Now to check the volume of this pyramid and cube, I will fill water. As you can see, the water is filled. 3 times of water filled with this pyramid is equal to 1 cube. From the experiment, we have concluded that 3 times of volume of pyramid is equals to the volume of cube. We can also write this as P is equals to cube by 3. We also know the cube volume is equals to A cube by 3. So we can write A square into A by 3. We can also write, since we found out through the experiment that the height of pyramid and the height of cube is same, so we can write a square into h by 3. And with this we have proved that the volume is equals to a square into h by 3. With this experiment, I hope you understood that the volume of a square-based pyramid is a square into h by 3. Thank you very much and I hope you enjoyed my video.